today we are going to kick off recipe number 3. Yay, number 3. So today we are going to fix buffalo chicken rangoons. This is another one of my favorites. This is not just my favorite just for tailgating. This is my favorite for like any time. Okay, so you know what, with no further ado, I'm ready to jump right into this video. I have boiled and shredded my chicken just to save me a little time. So that's what you want to do. You want to just take some boneless, skinless chicken breast, and you want to just boil it, and then after it boils, drain the water off, and then just shred it, and it looks something like this. So on to the next step. You want to take cream cheese. So you need 1 8-ounce cream cheese. I just cut it up in cubes just to make the melting process a little bit easier. You got garlic powder here. You're going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you have onion powder here. You're going to sprinkle about another teaspoon of onion powder. After you sprinkle about a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, you want to get some buffalo sauce. So I got this, and you want to add about a cup. And you just want to mix it in really good until the cream cheese melts and it get really thick. Our cream cheese is almost melted. So due to my chicken was room temperature, I had to put mine in a pot to melt the cream cheese with the chicken, because my chicken was at room temperature. Now if your chicken is hot, and if you after you shred it, and if it's still hot enough to melt the cream cheese, then you can do it that way. But if not, you can just put it on the stove on low heat and then just allow it to melt down. So we're just going to give that a few more minutes, and we'll move on to the next step. So our buffalo chicken has mixed. This is what it looks like. It has a really good taste to it. I have here just some clear water, and what you would need is wonton wrappers. Yes. So we're just about to get started. So you want to start off with one of your wraps. You want to take your finger and just wet the edges. Like that. Take some of your buffalo chicken mix. And put it right in there. You don't want to add too much because it'll ooze out the side. I want to take one end of it, if I can lift it, fold it over like so, like a triangle. Mash your ends together. And what I do is I just take a fork and I just put lines in it. They're just to give it an extra seal. So it should look something like that without the mess. So you just want to place them in a plate, and you want to just continue. now that our buffalo rangoons are stuffed, we're gonna move right along to the next step. Now that we're done stuffing, you want to get you a pot with some grease in it, and you want to put your stove on medium to high heat, and you want to drop your buffalo chickens over in the grease. It's going to take a couple of seconds, because remember, the chicken is already done. You just really just browning them. So I suggest like drop a few at a time, because they will burn like really quickly. See like how quick that was? And you just want to take them and line them on a paper towel so that it can drain like this, so that it can drain the excess grease off. So I'm only doing a few at a time because I won't be able to get them all out in time. So about 3 seconds on one side, flip it over, 3 seconds on the other side. See, look at that. There you have it. I have fried our buffalo chicken rangoons. They look amazing, and I tried one. It tastes amazing. So yes, they do have a tendency to swell up sometimes when you put them in the grease, but that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my buffalo chicken rangoons. If you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe. Okay? And make sure your bell is on, because you don't want to miss the next upload, which will be tomorrow. Okay? So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.